If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus still has two views you can use. These are called the Accountant View and the Business View. However, you can perform most of the same tasks within both views in new company files, making which view you use less of an issue than in older releases of QuickBooks Online. According to Intuit, the Business View uses simplified business terms to help users avoid more complex accounting terms and processes, and the Accountant View uses standard accounting terms and processes. For the purposes of this course, we use the Accountant View unless specifically stated otherwise by the lesson. If desired to switch between the two views in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click the Switch from Accountant View to Business View or Switch from Business View to Accountant View toggle link in the lower right corner of the menu to switch to the opposite view of the current view. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.